One of the things that doesn't get covered much in making wine videos is cleaning. Trust me, 2/3 of everything you do is going to be cleaning. I've got a degree in physics, and when I'm making wine, I am the chief bottle washer. Also the chief bucket washer. Now, I have said several times, when you're done doing something, clean it, okay? Well, this time. This is a month or two ago. I emptied this one into another container, pushed it off to the side. That was a primary fermentation vessel, and the reason I didn't clean it was because I had friends over and they wanted to see how you make wine, and so we decanted and we drank some of that, and a party happened, more or less. Well, we chattered until 1 in the morning. So they went home, and this had gotten pushed aside back in the winery, and it was done. But what happened was it got forgotten. It's been about 6 weeks, I guess, maybe longer. This is gross. Fair warning, gross is going to be shown. When I open this up, what you see is where the fly larvae, they ate the stuff from in there, and then they formed pupa on the walls in there. Yeah, they became maggots. They ate everything they wanted. Oh lordy, it's worse than that. There's still some in there. Oh, blah blah blah. And man, it stinks. It honestly smells like urine. So, what I've decided is to take it outside and clean it like a man. I'm going to use a pressure washer. And then when I've blasted the stuff out, I'm going to go and bleach it. Okay? All right. I'm going to fire up the pressure washer, and we're going to have some fun on the bayou. That's the O-ring. I'm gonna bleach that like crazy. Yuck. Yuck. Okay, I know it's not what the manufacturer of the pressure cleaner would want to know, But that cleaned out the maggots a treat, okay? And a lot of fly chrysalis larva thingies were stuck all over on the walls and the bottom and the sides. They're gone. That was easy. A little bit splashy. Like, I've now got fly chrysalises on me. I'm going to go take a bath. And then I'm going to bleach the stuff. I never thought I would use the pressure washer to clean a brew bucket. All good.